पहले आगे दर्शन कर लेते 5 मिनट दर्शन।
Nanda Baba is the king of this village, and we went to Barsana. There is a king of Vrishabhanu Maharaj. Both they are staying before, but Nanda Baba's the father name is Parjanya and Arjanya. Before they are staying in here, but after Parjanya, then all the Nanda Baba etc. sometimes they stay in here and leave this place. They went to Gokul. There is some cultivated land and grazing the cows. Their only wealth is cows, and they are getting for the cows in the very big place. Then Nanda Baba and there are 5 brothers in this city. They stay in Gokul. Also Vrishabhanu Maharaj, before he was in Raval. There is also very nearest in Rawalpur and Gokul, maybe 4-5 kilometers in distance. Then is by the blessings of the sadhus, then Nanda Baba got one son. He gave one son with the Krishna. Then is the Krishna is born in there. Then Kamsa, who is the king of the Mathura, always he attacked to Krishna. At first, the 6th day of the Krishna, then Putana came to kill the Krishna. After 6 months, then he came, name is Sakatasur. After 1 year, then Trunavarta, also he came to kill the Krishna. So many demons came. At that period, the elder brother of the Nanda, he speak on, brother, we are not in Savli, we are staying in here, very nearest in Mathura. Then again to again is attacked in Kansa. Better to we leave this place and we will go in our father's property. We will save to there and we will return the Nandagram. Then Gokul, all the wealth, they leave it and they return to Gokul. But before this Nandagram, the father of Nanda Babas, they are staying in here. Everything is in here. Then they return. When Nanda Baba is returned, is the more dearest friend. Nanda Baba is in Vrishabhanu Maharaj. Also he got one very beautiful daughter, name is Radharani. Then both they decided, really we are not in safely, very nearest in Mathura, we are not in safely, then we will also return to Barsana. Then first Nanda Babaji came to here, and Vrishabhabu Maharaj also came to there. There is Barsana. But gradually, doing everything in Lila, all the past Lila of the Krishnas, he done everything in Nandagram. Therefore, in our here in Sanatana Goswami Pad also came in Nandagram, and he do bhajan in here, there bhajan kutir. And Rupa Goswami Pad also came here. There is a Teri Kadam also, there is a bhajan kutir of Rupa Goswami Pad. Then gradually, then everything is disappeared. Gradually everything is disappeared. All the Brajavasis cannot, they don't know where is the Nandagram, where is the Barsana. They don't know about these things. But when Kali Yuga, in Kali Yuga, during the Kali Yuga, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came and he sent the Sada Goswamis. Then you create all the holy places of the Krishnas. Now everything is disappeared. You appeared everywhere. Discover to here. Then they came to here and they did not got very the Nandagram. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also came with Srinivas Prabhu. Then when he came to here, there is a big hills. Inside the hill, mountain, then Badrinath, then 5,000 years before, then Badrinath, the grandson of the Krishnas, Badrinath, grandson of the Krishnas. Krishna's son is Pradyumna, Pradyumna's son is Aniruddha, and Aniruddha's son is Badrinath, who is established the Braja. By the name of Badrinath, then we are speaking in Brajadham. Why? The grandson of the Krishna, he is established in Brajadham. Understood? After then Krishna disappeared. Then he established also that Vigraha, what you saw 5,000 years before. Then he established Nanda Baba and Jasoda Mata and Krishna's form and Balaram's form. Here Balaram also in black. Everywhere you will saw in Brajadam, Balaram is black. Why Balaram is black? Later I will explain it. But everywhere is Balaram is white. But in Braja, everywhere you will saw that Balaram is full black form, like Krishna's form. And Mahaprabhu came. Then at that period, then Badrinath is established in there, Madhumangal and another one, Sridhama also there is a Mahaprabhu came and he searching here. Then Mahaprabhu speak inside the mountain that all the vigrahas in there. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came, or he called all the Brajvasis. Then he discovered all the vigrahas, then he established in there. Now gradually then Sanatana, all Goswamis they came to do Abhishek, everything. Then by the blessings of the Sriman Mahaprabhu, by the blessings of also in some Goswamis, the Narayan Bhatta Goswamis, also Ballavacharya Mahaprabhus, they are discovered all Brajadam. Why then Krishna is done Leela 5,500 years before. Gradually everything is disappeared. Now then Mahaprabhu came, now we are discovered everything. Now we are looking, then we saw that 100 billion people coming, 1,000 people coming doing darshaning here and taking blessings of Nanda Baba. There is in our Shastras, there is a written, then who will be take shelter of the Nanda Baba? Who will be take shelter of the Nanda Baba? one South Indian devotee speak, I am doing worship of the lotus feet of Nanda Baba. Why you are not do service of the Nanda Nandan? No, Nanda Nandan is difficult for me to got. But I will catch the lotus feet of Nanda Baba, then very easily I will get the Krishna. Why? Nanda Nandan is always, he is playing inside the house of the Nanda Baba. There is Nanda Baba, there is Nanda Nandan. Krishna is there. And I will catch, I am worshipping the Nanda Baba. And this is the kingdom of the Nanda Babas. Then you pray to Nanda Baba and Mata Jasoda, they will bless to me us. Then you will got the Krishna Prema also. Then Nanda Nandan in our life will become. Bol Nanda Baba ki Jai. Nanda Nandan Bhagwan ki Jai. Now we will go from here to go another.
Ma posso togliere questo?
Oh.
बाबा क्या बोल रहे हैं आपको?
महाराज दंडोत।
इतने मोटे कैसे हो गया? उसके भाषा सारे सबसे बड़े कुटुंब है। जंगल में कहाँ रखी? इस पेड़ के ऊपर कल देखो उनके पैसा करना चाहिए। इनके नाम गुंगू भी बोलते हैं। जो इसके नाम वहाँ पे इनके नाम रखते हैं पिल्लू। हर एक बार खेल कूद खरीदने समय आप लोग नहीं है ना। अब दोपहर हो गया सब यहाँ चले गए आप लोग कभी बैठ गए जो बैठ के आ जाते हैं बैठ जाते हैं उनको पक्का पोजे वसी माने जाते हैं तो पूरा रेसा मिलते हैं जो खड़ा रहते हैं ना उनको आधा मिलेगा आधा थाली तो आप लोग को पूरा मिला
Head boys, they came to here.
अरे कृष्ण के साथ बोलना मारना एक
There is a big pond. They are also playing with water. Then this is the place name is Ter Kadam. Ter means to cow. Sometimes then cowhead boys they are playing in here. Then cow is gone where for the grasses. Then Krishna then saw in his cows somebody is not in here. Then he climbed that kadam tree and he is calling. To call, this is calling in Braj Bhasha, tear. To call, his meaning is tear. Then kadamba means is the kadam tree. Then he climbed and to buy the fruits by the mud, he is calling. Then, oh Kalindi, oh Ganga, oh Kamli, please you come. They are very happily they are coming to here. Also in here is a very nice places. Then this is the living field and Rupa Goswami Park. Then Sanatana Goswami Park is Jankuti is Nandagam. There is the Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj sitting and doing bhajan also in there. Yes. Disciple of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami. Yes. Sanatana Goswami Pass Bhajan Koti, he do bhajan. The bank of Pavan Sarovar. The bank of Pavan Sarovar. Pavan Sarovar means the Pavan Gopa, the cow head, the Gopa, who is the father of Vishaka. who is the father of Vishakha Sakhis. Name is Pavan Gopa. Gopa means cow head. Then Pavan Gopa. Then he make one big pond. Big pond. Always then Jasoda going and doing bath in that pond. But by the name of the Pavan Gopas, now we are calling to Pavan Sarovar, means the lake of Pavan. Pavan Sarovar, pond of the Pavan. There is a Sanatana Goswami Path, do bhajan in there, Nandakla. And Rupa Goswami Path is came to here. This is the very secret place and very nice place. Before nobody is staying in here. Then full of the forest, so many peacocks, so many deer, so many things in here. Then Rupa Goswami Path is came to here and very secret places. Then he always traveling. Then the order of the Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sri Chaitanya Manovishtha Bhutale, the order of the Mahaprabhu, then you discover the holy places. What is the disciple? You discover. Then also what he wrote, all the scriptures. Then everything on his idea, on his planning, he did not write one single word. Everything, all the trees of the in Braj Mandal, what they saw, the past Leela of the Krishna, they explained. Then Rupa Goswami is write everything, not on his one single word. To test in Sanatana Goswami Path, also speak in what is the name? Chatu Puspanjali. Chatu Puspanjali, the very beautiful then Sanskrit. Chatu Puspanjali. This is the only glories of Srimati Radharani. There is a written, all the gopis, they are collecting the flowers to do service of the Krishna. And then there are a lot of collecting the flowers to make the garland to put the Krishna, for Krishna. At that period, all gopis they are running. When they run, at that there is some what is it? Selling. Beni, Knox, yes. Or the Knox, they put in here. This is calling to they are dancing. Go off. They are running. There is he explained Navagorochana Gauri Pravirendi Barambaram Beni Byana Galaphalam. Then he gave one example that the hair is the back of the hair in the gopis like to in cobra. Understood? Then to cobras. Then when he written the Sanatana Goswami Path, you did not got any example anywhere. Then you gave the how is the beautiful of the hair of the gopis, and you gave one example is the cobras. What is it called?
Like a snake, yeah. Cobra.
Like to cobra.
Like
Snake.
snake
When
is-
the snake is like open is snake. Then you gave example. You did not get any sweets from example. I don't know why you did not got. Then Rupa Goswami always humble. Always humble. He knows everything. He don't speak any single word to the Sanatana. Why? He is the elder brother and he is very big scholar. Very humbly, then he silently he speaks. Yes, maybe I will correct some things. Then Sanatana Goswami Path always doing parikrama in Govardhan. Then little bit he go away the bank of Govardhan. There is a came automatically to dream. Understood? Then he go. There is some shadow. The under tree there is a shadow. Then he slept. When he slept, immediately he got dream. Same dreams. Then Gopis is running. The back of that hair is like to cobra. Then he speak, Sarpa, Sarpa, Sarpa. Sarpa means snake.
Yes. Be careful.
Then he got up the dream. Then he said, oh, why I got that dream? Dream? Why I sleep? And understood, oh, the Rupa Goswami Pad is written in there. I took one fault of the Rupa Goswami Pad. Then in our Brajas tree is everything. Then what is the right in Rupa Goswami Pad? This is not in his word. This is everything. All the Brajas trees, they are not in tree. They are one is the greatest of sage. There is Santaras Bhakta. They are a devotee of the Santaras. All the trees, they are a Santaras Bhakta. All the animals, all the birds, they are a Santaras Bhakta in Brajas. But they knows everything. They are a premi. They have a prem. We've been to there in Pentha. That kadam tree, when is the yes. Then he came to here. Some trees they speak to everything. Then Rupa Goswami Pad, all the Rasa Granthas, he written here. Especially Vidardha Madhav, Lalit Madhav, Bhakti Rasamra Sindhu, Ujjwal Nidmani, and also in Utkalika Ballari, also beautiful books. He wrote in here. So many months he staying here, this place. Before, full of forest, nobody is coming in here. Then once Sanatana Goswami Pad want to come and meet. Why? All the Goswamis, they are always in evening time, they are associating to discuss about Radha Krishna Samsiddhanta. They are discussing. Then he come to here. Once always coming Sanatana Goswami sometimes to meet the Rupa Goswami. Then how then some wishes, some desires came in Rupa Goswami's heart. Then great Vaishnava is coming. I have nothing. I cannot give any single food, etc. Maybe I have some milk, maybe rice. Then I make sweet rice to give Sanatana Goswami. How they have no milk, they have no rice. He is a beggar. He is begging to Brajvasi's house. They give one chapati. Then he is taking and drinking that water. But why he desire? This is the message of Srimati Radharani. He desire immediately Srimati Radharani came, bring the small girl. Then he came, Baba, Baba, Baba. My mother is sent the milk and rice and sugar, everything. You make sweet rice and you offer in Giriraj and you take it. And my mother is speak, in our house the cow is gave one daughter, new daughter is came in our house. Calf is came. Now the first milk they giving to sadhu to offer the God. You make sweet rice and you offer the Giriraj. But Lali means, oh, daughter, I have no time. Baba, you don't worry. I will make it. Then Rupa Goswami and Sanatana Goswami both are discussing about the scriptures, about the Rasakatha. At that period, Srimati Radharani makes sweet rice with the fragrance of the sweet rice everywhere. Then Sanatana Goswami Pad is speak, some fragrance is coming. is something you make it? No, nothing. He came inside, then he saw one pot and she said, whose bag? That one lali from Nandagram, she bring some things.
First he tasted
Who?
Sanatan.
Then he
Then he said,
Uh-huh.
how sweet, how gratitude.
yes. Then he gave when Sanatana Goswami was test, then came the feelings. Bhava. It came in his heart. Yes, spiritual power is came. Then all the hairs is strong and inside the heart is to start the cry, everything. And who is made this? And Rupa Goswami, we don't know one girl is there. Who is she? Who is she? No, she is Radharani. Why you desire this? This Leela is done in here. Then before there is a no pot. They bring one kadam leaves. Here is some leaves like to dona. Dona, you know? Small cup like. Dona you are giving leaves and dona. Like to some dona. Then Rupa Goswami is bring that leaf and to give. They will also like this type of then donut type also in here also. They keep before, now is nothing. Here. Then he take here and this is the in our Gaudiya Vaishnavas. Before also coming before some Brajvasis they take care in Pandas. Nobody is take care these places, but when is Maharaj is the Imlitala. He is staying in Imlitala in our. Then he some fight in there. Then he came to here, and he too much fight with Brajvasis. Why? Before in the Gaudiya Vaishnavas place, this is. Still, traditionally, then Gaudiya Vaishnava is staying in this place. Why is there? This place is the Gaudiya Vaishnavas. This is the wealth of Gaudiya Vaishnavas. Yes. Then all the Gaudiya Vaishnavas, they are worshipping the Rupa Goswami Samadhi side. Then gradually that Babaji gave to Krishna Maharaj. Then Panda is disturbing in here. But that Maharaj is to fight with all the Brajvasis. They are very beautiful. In the pillars, everything is improving here. That period in our Gurudev also in present there. Maharaj also gave some money. Maharaj, you do service, you make it this. Then Maharaj gave 2 bull. There is in there. Some money also gave to Hrishikesh Maharaj. You stay there, then Maharaj also coming. Yes, Guru Maharaj also sometimes he Barsana and he takes the down. Sometimes he goes in the This is a very ancient place, very in our Gaudiya Vaishnavas. Then all ISKCON devotees, all Gaudiya Vaishnavas, they are coming and give. Now he is make one also temple, Rupa Goswami Gaudiya Math, in Nandagram. Yeah, he big temple.
He's sannyasi.
Yes. Yes. He's Bhakti Akirtana Goswami. Disciple of Bhakti Saranga Goswami Maharaj. Who is the before Acharya of the Imlitala.
Yeah.
After Saranga Goswami Maharaj. Who is the Acharya? His disciple.
He's disciple.
Yes.
Sri Rupa Manjari Pada Shri Rupa
হবা তাই হচ্ছে।
কি হচ্ছে?
হ্যাঁ বয়স হয়নি, মুলাং দলিতং পুলিতং মুলাং বলো না।
কোন দিকে তো লাগছে না?
হ্যাঁ
কোন দিকেও লাগছে না।
আরে সব দিকে লাগছে।
कृष्णदास बाबाजी महाराज and सनातन गोस्वामी बाबा both here is the बाबाजी महाराज समाधि ये जय এটা বাবা কনস্ট্রাকশনটা কে করছে? কে করছে? Yes. Maharaj, last year that house is not in present time. Now is in new building. Yes.
You must understand that I was here 80,
Yes.
40 years. It was different, completely different.
Full sulphur. Hari wo.
Hari.
To take for. But this is a then lap of Krishna, lap of Radharani. Krishna is sitting there. Lap of Radharani, Krishna is sitting there. At that period, Madhumangal came. One, Bhim came. Always he is going on in front of Radharani. Why? Radharani's face is the lotus. Lotus face. Here is the lotus. Then B-bird is coming. Bee is coming. Take the honey. Then he is only then how is the body? Only face. Then Radharani do this, that. Then Madhumangal came. Bring one stick to beat the bee-bird. Then fear the bee-bird to Madhumangal. Then bee-bird is went away. Then speak Radharani. Radharani, I sent to Madhusudan. Bee-bird's one name is Madhusudan.
From the tree.
Bumblebee, honeybee.
This,
Not in bumblebee.
the bee that is,
Honeybee, who is carrying the honey. Also bumblebee also. Bumblebee. Then I beat and he went away. Then Radharani heard. Then Madhusudan went away. Oh, then she starts to cry. But Madhusudan is lap of Srimati Radharani. Understood? This is in Rasa Sahitya. This is calling to in our Prema Bibarta. This is the one part. Prema Bibarta. Means Krishna is also sit in lap of the Radharani. But she thought it is a separation. Then Krishna went away. Krishna lived to me. Also Lalita second, Visakha Sakhi, all Sakhis they are. Krishna also himself is lap of Radharani. Then Madhumangal speaks, I beat to Madhusudan and he went away so distant. Then Radharani thought that the Krishna is lived to me.
where is my Krishna?
Ah, where is my Krishna? Where is my Krishna? Then he start to cry. This is calling to Prema Bibarta. Then that cries, then Lalita also singing. How type of Prema? We could not understand. Krishna is sitting in there. Only speak Madhumangal. Then I sent to Madhusudan. Then cry by that tear, the Prem tear. Srimati Radharani make one lake. This is calling to Prem Sarovar.
It's also a reason why Krishna left Vrindavan.
Yeah.
Because Radharani, he could not anymore realize, is Krishna here, is he not?
Sometimes also then Krishna is going to grazing the land and taking the cows and cowherd boys there went to the Vrindavan. Sometimes Lalita Sakhi and coming speak, oh Radhe, what are you doing? What you are doing in meditating in here? But your Krishna is take cows and he went to Vrindavan. Then Radha Sakhi, Radharani speak, Krishna is went to in Vrindavan to grazing the cows? No. Which Krishna? Who is my life? He is sitting in my eyes. He is sleeping in my heart. But who is went to Vrindavan to grazing the cows? That Krishna I don't know who is he. Understood? Then Lalita is surprised. Krishna is went to there. But one is speaking, the Radharani is speaking, who is inside my eyes and who is sitting in my heart.
Transcendent one.
Then Lalita is could not understand. Oh Lalita, I cannot explain to you. I cannot explain. Why? This Leela is Prem Leela. This is not in material Leela. We are a material mind. We are a material thinking. We are a material attachment. Everything. To understood. This is spiritual. This is impossible. Rather than Radharani is speak. One is dom. You gave sugar cane. Good. Good means sugar cane?
That's sweet.
And you ask how is the taste the sugar cane? Who is dom? He can explain? Can he explain?
No.
No. Why he is dom? Like this type of prema cannot explain. Prema and kama both is difference. In this material is only kama. Understood? Only kama, the material enjoyment. But prema is the transcendental, divine. This is not in material. by the material ideal, by the material mind, we cannot understood that prema. Then Radharani speak. This is also Prem Sarva. Then Bhakti Jivan Janardhan Goswami Maharaj came to here. Then he heard then Prema Sarva. Then he rolling in here. This dust. He rolled. And too much cry in here. Janardhan Maharaj. Too much cry and open all the clothes. Then he rolled Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. This is Prem Sarovar. How type of in my Radharani is try to hear.
Externally now it looks like madness.
Yeah.
But it is
Internally they cannot understand. Yes, this is another thing. Also in here, Vinod Baba says the Gurudev, Tinkodi Goswami, he do bhajan in here. Before, so many sadhus they are staying in here, Prem Sarovar. And he got darshan of Srimati Radharani, Tinkodi Goswami. Also Vinod Baba, they stay in here to bhajan in here. This is the best place for the bhajan. Now is people is Paradasi sit in here, but before no, only sadhus they are staying in here. Now gradually no sadhus, then all Brajvasis and some ashrams make it. Now it's finished. Gradually every places is the sadhus for bhajan stali going down.
Vishwasi not so bad, I think.
Not so bad.
Outsiders from Delhi and tourists
But something is the commercial, Maharaj.
now thinking.
Before not in commercial. You look then people came here, keep bus, they are cooking, onion, garlic, etc. They are eating this, that. Before nothing. Okay. We came to Sodharadharan. Hari Bol. Then do Aswan and also bring the water. Baba Dinbandhu, you help to
Bring the water, then the rest of
Yeah.
big is
Then we will go and take prasad. I am too much angry. They are recording.
Nicht zum Trinken?
जय महाप्रसाद की महाप्रसाद गोविंद
खाई